Okay, I've taken some liberties to update program 624 to demonstrate this a little bit better. So I've got one more change to make. Okay, I want you to see here, I have a function called getNum1, and I'm passing it one argument called value, and you'll see in this function it's a reference, right, a reference parameter. So I ask the user to enter the number, so let's say the user enters 5, I read that in, and because of the reference, that 5 is going to go back into value in the main program, and this will say, you know, after calling getNum1, your value is 5. In this example, I did it with a value returning function, getNum2. I call this. I ask the user to enter a number, so if the user enters 6, it'll return 6, and it'll store it right here. And then it'll display that. So let me run it, and then let me talk about it. Okay, so I'll put 5, my value is 5, 6, my value is 6. Okay, it's a little confusing because what we're doing is we're demonstrating here two different ways to take a value and return it back from a function. In the first example, we're doing it with a reference parameter, right? Because there's two ways really to send something back, either through that reference parameter or through a return statement. It can get confusing, but there's some rules to follow. In this particular example, the better way to write it would be a value returning function. And in the next video, I will explain why.